Okay, let's finish this up. So the third thing is ser y estar, origin and ownership. This time it's really just ser. So ser. So we're going to do ser. They can mean of or from. So here are a few examples. I'll give you the example in Spanish and the answer in English. So este reloj es de Suiza. El reloj es de Carlota. These are all origin, so or ownership. El anillo no es de oro, la cadena es de plata, los calcetines son de lana, and la casa es de los Amaral, the family of the Amaral family. Okay. Now you're up to number 5. This is the question that you'll write on the Google Doc. And the question is, ¿eres amigo sincero? ¿Sí o no? ¿Eres tú amigo sincero? So it actually doesn't have to do with ownership. I mixed up one from before, but whatever. Anyway, so that's the 5th question. Okay, so type that up. And then what you're going to do is see if you can get these ser and estar examples. So what I have is the reasons for ser and the reasons for estar. So la hora, la fecha, la definición, la profesión, la descripción, el dueño, el origen, el material, or un evento. So these would be the reasons that you would use ser, which you'll write underneath where it says razón. And then where you have estar, your reasons can be la ubicación, la salud, los sentimientos, or condición. So the first one, Marta está muy triste. You're talking about how she feels, so you'll write los sentimientos in the blank. So what you should do here, I'll give you another one. Yo estoy en la clase español, and the reason is your location, la ubicación. So right now you should pause this video and then fill in the blanks, see if you can get the answers right, and then come back and check your answers. Pause it. Go. Okay, now you're back. San Jose está en Costa Rica. La ubicación, location. The girls are tall and blonde. Son altas y rubias. Mi profesora de español es de España. She is from Spain. So that's es and your origen. El lápiz es del muchacho. It belongs to him. It's his origin. Or it could be origin or ownership. So sorry about that one. Son las 5 de la tarde, and you're talking about the hour. Nosotros estamos resfriados. We're all stuffed up. We're sick. Ustedes están de buen humor. You guys are in a good mood. Sentimiento. Hoy es el 5 de mayo. It's May 5th, la fecha. Nosotros somos americanos. Razón, definición, descripción, or origen, kind of any of those will work. Mercedes y tú estáis en Mexico. You're in Mexico right now. Use guys as a vosotros form. Ubicación. Raquel es abogada. She is a famous lawyer from Mexico. So she is a lawyer. It's her profession. Las camisas son de algodón. The shirts are made from algodón, their material. La entrevista es en la oficina. It's talking about where it takes place, and that's an event. La sopa is so hot that I can't eat it. It's the condition of the sopa. La sopa está caliente. All right. You have a couple more. See if you can fill in these blanks and then come back and check them. Pause it. Okay, now you're back. Aquí tenemos una foto de la casa. We have a photo of this beautiful house. La casa es de la familia Amaral. La casa está en el sur de España, de California. La casa de los Amaral no es de ladrillo. It's not made of brick. Tampoco es de adobe. It's not made of clay either. Es de madera. It's made of wood y estuco. El techo es de tejas y las tejas son de Mexico. Tejas are like those Spanish kind of round or like half circle Spanish roofs, the red. All right, now this one's a little harder because you're using preterite or imperfect and ser or estar. So go through it, tells a little story, and then come back and see if you got your answers right. Okay, Friday was the first day of the job for Angel. So fue el primer día. It was 8 o'clock in the morning. Eran las 8 y Ángel estaba en su apartamento. He was in his apartment. He was a little nervous. It's his condition, is how he feels, porque tenía que reunirse con señor Mercado. Este era su nuevo jefe. It was his new boss. Ángel no lo conocía muy bien. Ángel didn't know him very well, and everyone said that señor Mercado was a nice guy and really smart. Era simpático y listo. Ángel estaba preocupado porque su último jefe era muy exigente. He was really demanding y no quería trabajar otra vez para un hombre que fuera malo con sus empleados. So he didn't want to work with a guy who was mean to his employees. Pero debía apurarse, but he better hurry up porque la reunión starts present or era. Oh yeah, event, sorry. Pero debía apurarse porque la reunión era a las 9. And that's it. Tomorrow we're going to do usos especiales, which is kind of fun. Okay, see you tomorrow. Bye.